In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize charts and candles in Exness web terminal. Now to do this, first you want to open your chart inside the Exness web terminal, whichever chart you want, doesn't really matter, and then you want to right click anywhere where there's empty space, and you want to click on settings here at the bottom. Inside settings, you have a bunch of things. First, we're going to go to symbol up top, and inside symbol, you can then go and change the color of your candles. So over here, you have the body, borders, and wicks. So as you can see here on the left, I'm going to show you live changes, but here I'm going to change this, okay? So the body over here, I'm going to make it, for example, yellow, and then this one's going to be green. And then here, I'm going to make the borders, for example, yellow and green as well over here. And then the wicks, I'm actually going to make those white, okay? So let's see how that's going to look. There we go. As you can see, my candles have been customized here in the back. And of course, you could also do some other things in here as well. You can also color bars based on previous clothes, etc. And then if you want to do this for the chart as well, so like the background and the canvas, you want to click on canvas over here. And as you can see, it's going to allow you to set the background, so we can do solid or gradient. I'm going to keep it at solid and click on here and change it to, for example, light blue, just like this. And of course, you could also go and select the grid lines and change those colors as well. I'm going to actually make these like pink over here. Then you can also go and add session breaks and change the colors of those. You can change the color of your crosshair as well. You could also go to, for example, over here where you have scales and lines, where you can go and change different colors as well. Same goes with the status line over here, etc. Okay, so that's how to customize charts and candles in Exness web terminal. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.